What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix music fail to play tracks error in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now search here music app. Now click on music and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of music. After clear the cache memory of music app, then go back to your home screen and open Play Store. Now search here power ramp. First of all, install this Power Amp Music app. After install Power Amp Music app, then manage it in your device and then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.